Concrete is perhaps the most common modern construction material, and while it is relatively strong, inexpensive, and readily available, it is subject to damage from many sources, from impact to environmental pollutants to chemical attack to something as seemingly harmless as water. Concrete can easily be damaged. This damage is of particular concern when it occurs on vertical or overhead surfaces, not only because it is very difficult to repair through conventional means, but also for the safety concerns that weak overhead structures bring about. Belzona has developed the ideal product for these problem areas, Belzona 4141 Magma Build. This unique product is light enough to be applied up to 3 inches thick directly overhead and 4 inches thick vertically without slumping, yet has a greater compressive strength than concrete. Because of the zero slump characteristics and the absence of shrinkage from application to full cure, repairs can be effectively made without the need for formwork or shuttering. The adhesive strength which holds the Magma Build to the concrete substrate is actually greater than the cohesive strength of the concrete itself, so the repaired area is stronger than the original construction. Belzona Magma Build makes repairing damaged concrete structures simple, fast, safe, and permanent. How can Belzona help you today?